Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to customize footer in Wix. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now to be able to identify the footer of your website, it's typically at the bottom. So as you scroll down, this area over here is the footer. Now technically, the original or the actual footer of your website is this brown patch over here below that says at 2035 and then the word over here. That is the actual footer, as you can notice over here with the label. But over here, you can technically consider this as part of the footer. So if you would like to customize this, you can simply click on this and click on this quick edit option over here, and you will be able to edit the content. You are also able to edit the actual footer, but there isn't much you can do with it. So when you click this quick edit, as you can see, you could only change the paragraph and nothing more. That's the only thing you could change to the footer or the actual footer of Wix. But that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.